Kids should not perform this experiment without adult supervision.
Let's learn how to inflate a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. Take an empty bottle. Now put the funnel on the bottle head. Now carefully pour the vinegar into the bottle. Take a balloon. Place another funnel over the mouth of balloon. Now add some amount of baking soda and remove the funnel. Then carefully fit the balloon over the bottle opening and be careful not to drop baking soda into vinegar yet. Wow! See the reaction and balloon inflating automatically. Moraliz, when baking soda and vinegar reacts, it releases carbon dioxide. The gas leaves the liquid mixture and expands throughout the bottle and the balloon, inflating it.